Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a unboxing video from Fashionphile, and I have bought the Louis Vuitton Speedy 30. This is the Perforated Speedy, and the color is fuchsia. I've been looking for this for a very long time, and it's the box. Let me show you guys how this came. Yeah, that just fell. So I got this Fashionphile calendar. What else is in here? Thank you card. And if I'm not mistaken, I believe this is my order details. My receipt. Fashionphile certified item, basically what this card is. And they have a lot of different little cards. And basically a copy of my receipt. And this is packaged really, really well. You can tell they put a lot of effort in packaging and shipping their items. And this is the little Fashionphile bag that it came with. Now I believe it said it came with the dust bag, but I'm not sure. So I don't know if this had its own dust bag or if they were talking about this Fashionphile bag. Okay, so far there is no dust bag. Or maybe the dust bag is in here. Let's see. No. Okay, this stuff. This is the bag. Perforated. Definitely always inspect your items. If you're not sure of an item's authenticity, use a professional authenticator to get your items authenticated. And with this, it's basically the tag and everything that comes with the bag. If something is wrong with your item from Fashionphile, do not remove this tag. Do not remove the tag, because if you do, they won't do anything about it. Now this was listed as excellent condition, and one thing that I can say is these handles, I don't know if you guys can tell, but these handles are a lot darker than they appear on the website. They look much lighter on the website. I mean, they look like it was pretty much brand new on the website, and this is not what it looks like in person. I don't know how I feel about this. I don't know if I want to keep it or if I might just return it, because it definitely, everything looks good. Everything looks good, but the vachetta is a lot dirtier and a lot darker than it was on the website. Okay, this actually does have a dust bag with it. And this is the inside. I've been looking for this bag for a long time, and they have been priced very high. I mean, some are on eBay for like over $2 grand, and honestly, to me, for the conditions that they were in, it's not worth it. But if it was in brand new condition, then maybe I would consider, you know, purchasing it for that amount. But when I saw it on Fashionphile and it looked like it was new, I decided to purchase because it was cheap. But, well, it wasn't real cheap, but I got a good deal on it. And it was listed as excellent condition. But still, like, this patina, I don't know, it's bugging me. It is really bugging me because these handles are a little, it's not that dirty, but these handles are a little dark. And that is not how it looked on the Fashionphile website. It also has a little pocket right here. And I don't know if you guys can see, but it actually says Louis Vuitton right there. Let me see if I get right here. It says Louis Vuitton. It also has a pocket on this side as well. And this is made in France. I mean, it is in excellent condition. I can say that. As far as hardware and the materials and everything. It's just, this is bugging me. So, I'm not sure if I might keep it or not. But, I don't know. I may or may not keep it. Because I've been trying to get this back for a very long time. And now that I finally have it, it's kind of like, maybe I don't want to let it go. Let me know, you think I'm being a little bit over dramatic, or maybe I should just continue looking for it. Because this, especially this color, this fuchsia color, is very hard to find. You normally see it in, like, I don't know, the green color or the orange color, but it's very hard to find in the fuchsia color. Or if you do find it in the fuchsia color, they know that it's popular, so they basically, I'm sorry, I keep looking at seeing if it's still recording. But in the fuchsia color, it's basically going to be overpriced compared to the green or the orange. And the exact same style. Doesn't have a smell either. It actually smells fresh. This does have a day code. I need to look for the day code. I might not be able to find it while this video is recording. But this should have a day code, so I'm gonna look for the day code. I think that's about it. Okay, so my thoughts on this. I definitely love this particular bag. If I didn't, I probably wouldn't have purchased it. I don't know, lately I've been trying to find a lot of limited edition Louis Vuitton or discontinued Louis Vuitton items. I have not really been purchasing brand new items from Louis Vuitton because simply they've been having a lot of quality control issues. And me personally, I just try to steer clear of purchasing any brand new items, you know, for right now. I'm not going to say that I won't purchase any brand new items, but as of right now, I'm trying not to. I'm looking for, you know, limited edition or discontinued items. I have my eye on the Eva. I want to get all 3 prints. Hopefully I'll be able to find them, but the monograms have been hard to get in good condition. Even ones that are in not so good condition have been priced high, like $800–900. And before it was discontinued, it was I believe $795, $799, something like that. So with it being a discontinued item, they can definitely price it higher than what it used to retail for. And yeah, that's about it. I think I might keep this bag. I'm not sure. I'm definitely going to look for the day code. If I can't find a day code, I'm definitely returning it. Because especially with this particular print, I don't know what type of lining is in here. It's kind of similar to the Alcantara lining in the multicolor Speedies. But it actually has the date code stamped to the fabric, the lining that's in here. And what I've noticed is over a period of time, it tends to fade where you can't see the date code anymore. And that can be a problem, especially if you're reselling an item. So I definitely need to look for the date code in this to see if I can find it. That's about all. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.